One simple way to make money from home is to help others complete tasks as a virtual assistant. If you're highly organized and can properly manage your time, then becoming a virtual assistant presents a low-friction entry point into the digital services industry. You can easily perform these functions as a remote worker no matter where you live. Finding work as a virtual assistant can be easily done through sites like Upwork, Indeed.com and Remote.co. Search the existing posted jobs and create bids. You'll need effective communication skills and fluency in English and popular web and business software applications. A large subset of our society is earning a full-time income by selling items on Craigslist and eBay. You can do this by selling your own items, or you can help sell items for other people and take a small commission. Selling on eBay offers more friction than Craigslist, and you'll need to establish solid reviews before you can begin to move high-ticket items. However, eBay does provide resources for sellers to help you get acclimated to selling on the platform. Take the time to do your due diligence and research the platform. If you have some solid online marketing skills, you'll find this much easier than if you're a complete newbie to the world of digital marketing. Number 3. Trade cryptocurrency. As the digital world evolves, so does our currency. What seemed like a novelty yesterday will ultimately become the preferred medium for money. A Gallup poll found that 10% of people claimed to use cash as their preferred payment method in 2016, down from 19% in 2011. While cryptocurrency is still relatively new, it will ultimately become the standard. Bitcoin and Ethereum might be the primary cryptocurrency platforms today, but the US dollar will eventually become the digital dollar by leveraging the blockchain. You can take advantage of the current boom in cryptocurrency by trading it through platforms like eToro and Kraken, amongst many others. Sell on Fiverr. Fiverr has grown significantly since its inception. Today, it's a vast marketplace where you can sell just about any service under the sun. This is great if you're looking to make money online as a digital nomad, or even while sitting at home on your laptop while in your pajamas. What specifically can you sell on Fiverr? Anything from graphics and design services, to digital marketing, writing and translation services, video and animation services, music and audio programming and application development, business services and lifestyle services that includes anything from celebrity impressions to gaming. Launch an e-commerce site. E-commerce is booming. While Amazon takes the lion's share, consumers are buying by the droves when they can scoop up great offers. In fact, some of the leading online marketers like Neil Patel, Frank Kern, Dean Graziosi, David Sharp, Jen Reese and many others are using free plus shipping e-commerce and book funnels to make small fortunes. This comes back to the implementation of sales funnels within an e-commerce environment. In fact, much of what people think about traditional e-commerce stores taking months or even years to build and costing a small fortune simply isn't true.